We all know smart factory, digital, automated, data-driven. But what about places that power our world far from factory floors, such as wind farms, mines, refineries, and power plants? These are not factories, but they're just as critical. At Atlas Copco, we believe they should be just as smart. That's the smart field. Manufacturing has nailed digitalisation. Higher quality, lower cost, fewer errors. But field industries, many still face rising costs, tough margins, and if we want a greener future, these operations must also be financially sustainable. How do we close the gap? Bring the best of smart factories into the field. Automation, connected tools, real-time data, process optimization, and fewer shutdowns. Start with critical bolting. Thousands of mission-critical bolts, every single one matters. Mistakes mean downtime, cost, and safety risks. Smart bolting tools reduce process time, eliminate errors, and give you real traceable data. Battery tools that are industrialized, electric systems that go beyond 15,000 Newton meters, tensioners that have sensors, hydraulics with operator feedback and full data capture. And yes, connected platforms for analytics and continuous improvement. A digital display doesn't make a tool smart. Real sensors do. We integrate torque transducers, angle encoders, and pressure sensors right into the tool, so you can get direct measurement, not estimates. Accurate, repeatable, traceable. Consider tools in your reality. Dust, heat, vibration, often in harsh conditions and remote locations. That's where direct measurement wins. Let's run a pilot. Measure the outcomes. Decide with data. More than 30 years leading intelligent fastening in the world's most advanced factories. Deep software and cybersecurity capability. Global service and support. We've taken what works in smart factories and we've built it for the field. If you operate in renewables, mining, power or processing, start with smart bolting. We'll help you validate in your environment and scale across your sites. Let's take the smart factory into the field together.